Continuity with the previous video for qualifier, this video is basically for the nominee. If you are not traveling to Phuket, you can just click on no and nominate someone. If you don't want to nominate someone, just click on no and it will be redirecting you to the app. Once you click on yes if you want to nominate someone and submit. Feed in your nominee who you want to nominate, like Anish, his mobile number and his email ID. He is my sibling. If you want to check rules and regulations, you can just click on the link and view all the rules and regulations. Just read it out once, give it a glance, click on close, checkbox, just submit. When you submit, you will be getting a video, a generic video for qualifier nominee or neither both. If you don't want to travel, so it will be giving you a generic video which you can see and have a feel of the page. When to exit this video, you just need to click on home, which will be redirecting you to the edit profile in the app where you can edit your details and click a photo or detailed profile pic. Now click on tick. You can crop the video and say save.